Nigashima Shelf is DNVGL's vision of a future where floating wind turbines play a vital role in the world's energy mix. As we enter the year 2050, floating turbine technology is mature and supplies clean, affordable energy to millions of people worldwide. The developments began at the turn of the century, and by 2025, even the offshore oil and gas industry were using floating wind turbines in some of their operations. This standalone system proved to be very cost-effective for reservoir water injection, triggering a cycle of demand and new developments. The identical floating steel structures can be mass-produced in a fully automated manufacturing process, resulting in significant scale advantages and rapid cost compression. New materials and aerodynamic research have also resulted in larger turbines and lighter, longer, and more flexible blades. In 2050, the latest blade designs at Nigashima Shelf exceed 100 meters, and advanced control systems help better harness the wind and adapt production to demand. As we travel further out on the shelf, water depth increases, enabling multiple turbines to share anchor points. At the very edge of the shelf, pilot installations have now started even in ultra-deep waters. Here, up to 6 turbines can share an anchor point fixed to the seabed with tension leg mooring. Nigashima Shelf is also supplemented with subsea energy storage. At times, with excess energy production, water is pumped into an underwater membrane, elevating a weight of sand and rocks. When the wind slows down, this pressurized water is released through a hydropower turbine. By 2050, billions of people have been lifted from poverty into a global middle class. Urbanization has created enormous megacities, often along the coastlines, limiting the ability to produce clean energy on land. But offshore, where the winds are strong and stable, floating wind power offers cost-effective and clean energy to many of the world's coastlines and megacities. Combined with solar power and energy storage, offshore wind can also power islands and archipelagos. While solar power helps meet peak loads, energy storage allows the power to be time-shifted to periods of high demand. Finally, the offshore wind farms at Nigashima Shelf have been developed in harmony with the fishing industry and with society at large. They provide protected habitats safe from seabed trawling and integrate controlled aquaculture with fixed-gear fishing. Through the integration of jobs, food production, and clean energy, floating wind forms the platform for a sustainable management system of the ocean's marine life and energy resources. All a part of DNVGL's vision of a safer, smarter, and greener future.